listeners, we woke up kind of late this morning. Our mission is not to assess the damage that Millie's done on Griffin's sock collection, but it is to go do some creek fishing. Regardless, Griffin last night was like, dude, can I borrow some socks? I'm like, yeah, why? What's wrong? He's like, I just can't find any of my socks. They're all gone. They just disappeared. And this morning we got to the bottom of it and figured out the culprit of the missing sock gate. So Millie is caught red-handed. And you now have a sense of clarity. How many socks do you have? We need to find the rest of them.
I packed like 9 pairs.
She's just ran straight on 9. Ew, she's licking them. Dude, I am not letting that dog even get near me after that. That is, you are disgusting.
She's been eating Griffin's socks and then
licking my face.
Yeah.
She's protective of it too. What? It's day number 11, I believe, here in Camp Claw. Let's get some light down here. It's a little bit dark in the Dookie dungeon. The Dookie den, which by the way has accumulated even more Dookies. I should probably start cleaning those up. We took the Can-Am for a spin last night. She's looking honestly pretty good. I haven't showed you guys what has been done to it since I flipped it, rolled it, and put it on its ass and just basically ripped a bunch of pieces off. But it looks pretty good. We drove it around. It needs gas though, so we might go get some gas. And along with that, before Grant leaves, because it is his last day here, up in the beautiful north of Maine, figured we'd do a bit of fishing, do a bit of creek fishing. Maybe instead of bringing the spin, we do a bit of fly fishing. I got my singular 6-weight up here with some floating line. I did, and I didn't wake up and nobody woke up. So be ready in 20 minutes. All right, sounds good. Team on 3, 1, 2, 3, team. Cheers, boys. Let's get caffeinated. Let's go hit some creeks. Let's go catch some fish. There's something so amazing about pulling off pavement onto a dirt road. We've made it to our spot. This is something I've never fished before. My whole goal is to kind of show you guys the beauty of Maine nature, and then on top of that, catch some fish on the fly. This is just an easy way to find out what the forage is. Just literally look in the water. Of course, there's minnows and obvious things you can see, but the stuff you can't see is under the rocks. And that's those little tiny aquatic insects. Stoneflies, mayflies, things that have not hatched yet, caddises. Lots of little minnows darting in between the rocks too. But we're gonna keep going on down. I know one section of this river should have at least smallmouth. I know you've been pretty small, heavy on this trip, but it's one of those fish that you can always count on to pull and peel a bit of drag. We're gonna head off this this little trail and jump to a new section of the river. Where are we at, boys?
I don't know.
Yeah, you tell me.
Spot number 2.
Oh, spot number 2, folks.
Number 2?
Spot number 2.
What are you throwing? Wow, you brought some serious gear today. Topwater, and then we've got some deep water stuff.
Yep, that's all you need.
I want to see you spank a 7-pound stream smallmouth on this today.
I'm going to.
Just
watch.
Is this what Lewis and Clark felt like? Yo, brook trout. He's got a nice brookie. Oh, the old boys in front of us in the canoe just hooked up to a nice brookie. Fishing a really deep pool right now, so we're trying to get down there in that water column. Grant's over there with the gear, getting hooked up on some small jaws. Oh, that's a, dude, holy shit, that's a nice one. Good fish. A little largemouth right there, or smallmouth right there. Oh, he's chasing it. Look. Oh, he's looking at it. Come on. Oh, he's looking at it. Oh, he's looking at it. He wants it. It's a little guy, but it's a fish. We need something to start the day. Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. Nice little smallmouth. Just sight fished him. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome little smallmouth on the 6-weight. This guy would be a lot of fun on like a 4. Still a decent little first fish of the day on a all black woolly bugger. Come here, dude. Come here, buddy. Oh, it's kind of a big drop there. Oh. I'm gonna hoist him up. There we go. That was so cool. First fish on the fly up here in Maine for 2020. It's so cold. This moving water is really cool, and it's a safe bet this time of year when everything else is really hot. Go find some running cool water, catch you some trout and some small jaws. Very cool. Nice little bass. Good fun on the fly too. On gear, it's fun, but way more enjoyable when you're throwing some fly line. Beautiful. See you later, dude. Thank you for playing. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Oh, come on. Just saw him eat it. Third time's the charm. Oh, there we go, got him. Little smallie. So cool. So freaking cool. Watched him eat it too. That is just pinnacle in fishing. Being able to visualize the eat is so sick. Come here, dude. Come here, Bronzy. Whew. He's mad. Buddy is mad. Come here. Come here. Nice little river smallmouth. So freaking cool, dude. Oh, I'm geeking. I'm geeking. Come here, bud. Oh no. Oh no. No, you're done. You're through. I got you. Oh, if I can maybe handle you correctly. Chunky little dude. Chunkster. On the all black dumbbell. Can't go wrong. Little leech pattern. Nice fish. Back you go there, buddy. Oh my god, I'm trying my best not to fall in the water over here. It's very likely knowing my balance. This looks good. I'm gonna keep walking. We're about to move, but I don't know. I feel like something great could happen here. Also, Grant caught a nice big smallmouth, so that's kind of my goal today, is to catch like a nice high 2 or 3 pounder on the 6 weight. The smallies seem to be in the more slack water right now. Usually they like that heavy current, but I think maybe with it still being cool, they're running around in some of the dead water. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Giant smallmouth. Giant smallmouth. Giant. Like a 4 pounder. I wish I'd have made a cast over here. I could have caught him. He was right on this rock. That was a big fish. That's the goldfish for today right there. Oh, he's right there. He's looking at it. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, he checked out my fly. I can't make a good cast on him. Oh, I just don't have a hook. That's great. That is great. What does it have?
That's just for weight up there.
Oh, lit. I saw like a 3 pounder over there and I just whiffed on him. There should be an epic sequence to the video. Oh, there he is.
Camera down.
Oh, wow. Oh my god, that was so sick. That was so cool. that took no time at all. We were about to leave and I hopped in the whip real quick to see what's down here by this boat ramp, and of course there's a smallmouth just chilling right here. Like they literally posted up just to watch me catch this fish. Let's go, baby. That's what's up. Smallie on the fly. Griff lent me another one of his flies because I guess all my flies suck. Little crawfish pattern. Topwater crawfish. He literally ate it before it even got to the bottom. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Look, we're gonna release him at the ramp. All right. See you, bud. Right at the ramp. Where are we going next, dog? Those are all my spots. I used them all up. I don't know. I'm asking Grant. He doesn't know where to go. Grant! Where are we going next? Hey, dude.
Let's look.
All right. So Grant's actually from this area. And he's gonna try to find a new spot for you. You should honestly pick a spot.
You guys pick for me.
Oh wow, you just doxed my only honey hole? Are you just doxing my... We're on the way to the next spot and saw this off the side of the road. Figured we'd give it a quick little peep. The water's pumping over here. I don't even know what river this is, but it looks pretty juicy. Tons of current. Water's nice and dark. Should be able to spook right up on him. I'm throwing a little cross streamer that Griff lent me. Grant just got blown up on a lure out there. Let's see if I can get one of this fast water. Here we go. Oh, finally got one. What is this? Is this a trout? What is this? Ballfish. No. Little trout. That's so sick. Little brookie. That's so cool. That's so awesome. Little brook trout on the cross streamer. That's awesome. My first Brookie on the fly of the season. Just a wee little dude. I cannot believe he ate that giant streamer. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous fish. This is what people come up here to fish for when they visit Maine. Look at that. Nice little Maine brook trout. Look at his fins. All colored up. Caleb's up there with the big camera, so I'm just filming off the phone. So cool. Back in the current. So cool. I thought I was getting bit by a smallmouth, but they just so happened to be brookies. Oh, he just felt them swim between my legs. That was cool. Oh, what happened?
I
Went for a swam.
I went for a swim, sadly.
Well, that was successful. It was worth it. Slammed a little brookie. Time to head to probably one of the last stretches of the day. See if we can spank a big small jaw. Are you able to keep fishing?
Not really. I was a little bit cold, so I went and dried off.
What's the move, John?
I think I'm gonna start my own daycare. What is that? What is that? Yo, chill. I've got the car. That's a frog, isn't it? Is it a frog? Is it a frog? Is it a frog? I don't want to move. What is it? Oh no. Is he in the car? Oh, it's a crawfish. You're out of your fucking mind. Dude. This kid is... Okay, give me your nipple.
No.
Give me your nipple. Give me your nipple.
No, you take him. Should I let him?
Yeah, let him.
No.
Let him, bro. Get a nipple pierce.
This prank was for you, not me.
I thought it was a frog.
Yeah.
Oh, poor little guy.
Let him bite my nipple.
No.
All right, well, we're gonna send Buddy back on his way. He was probably chilling, vibing, and you took him and you put him in the 4Runner.
I put him in your hoodie
Sorry.
and then he crawled out.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. There you go. Back to where he came.
It's a lobster, you know that, right?
Keep it down,
Maine
bro.
lobster. All right, well, spot number 1 was good for me. He got soaking wet. I caught a brook trout. Let's go hit up a new zone. Here we are, spot number 3. Little roadside creek spot. I think this is where we're gonna end the day, see if we can crack on a few. It's just gonna be Grant, Caleb, and I. Griffin's gonna stay back, watch the whip, see if we can get one last bite to close today's creek fishing endeavor. Oh my God, holy hell. That was insane. That was insane. I don't know how I didn't hook that fish. Oh my gosh. Literally like second cast with a topwater, and I just get absolutely annihilated. Get back in there. There's one. Oh, on the topwater, right in the current. Going nuts. Going nuts. Holy hell. Popper and smallmouth with a fly rod. There's nothing that compares. Just gonna do a quick unhook and get back in there. There should be more. See, dude? Back in the current she goes. That was so much fun. I'm just gonna keep rolling. I have a feeling I'll get another one. It's nuts. These smallmouth hang in such tiny little pools in these creeks. There's not too many places for them to live, and they love the current. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was so cool. Like as soon as it hit the freaking water, homie just crushed it. River smallmouth are the most aggressive fish you can catch up here. One of them at least. Point and case, just like instantly, as soon as that popper hit the water, he took full advantage. Nice little guy. Good fun, good fun. Probably a better 4 or 3-weight fish, but still gave a nice tug. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry. He's gone. I call that a mission success. We got ourselves a few decent smallmouth, a surprise brookie, and then of course the inevitable fall fish. The guy almost hit you?
Oh, it splattered.
Oh, that's gross. Oh, what the f? Did you get it on you? Caleb almost got splattered by a dead squirrel on the road. It's a bit loud to be doing this, but we're walking back to the car, gonna head to camp. Video's not over. As you guys know, we started off today's episode with Millie chewing Griffin's last and only sock. And just about this entire trip, Griffin's had a bit of a vendetta for Millie because, you know, Millie's Millie. She's Mildred, she's Mildew. She's a pee-pee head. So the other day, Griffin was like, dude, I swear to God, if she poops on my bed or any of my stuff, it's gonna be curtains for her. So I bought a baby Ruth the other day, and I'm gonna run it into the water, make it look like a turd. Kind of like, what is that, Caddyshack where they did that? Griffin is out grabbing some gas for the side-by-side, which I still need to show y'all. And we're going to plant the fake turd in his bed. He actually leaves tomorrow just for a day to graduate for high school. By the way, Griffin, congratulations for not dropping out. We're gonna see his reaction. Pee-pee, why did you poop in Griffin's bed? Actually, I just chased Millie like about a half a mile down the road because she decided that she was going to run after Griffin's truck as he left. But let's get this baby Ruth and well, you know, plant the poop. I'm gonna make it look nice and turd-like. It's too much peanut going on. I don't know. Poop, like something like that. That looks good enough. I mean, it's dark up there, so I think it'll pass as a turd. I mean,
That actually is pretty good.
we've seen enough of Millie's poop in her poop dungeon that I now know, like, visually, I can.
Griffin's gonna love that.
Oh yeah. He literally said, he said at the beginning of the trip, he's like, Millie, if you poop on my stuff, it's curtains for you. I was gonna just kill my dog.
Oh wow. So better hide Millie when this goes out.
Hopefully I'll get in between him and Millie if it's, you know, hits the fan or whatever.
Wait, no, I say let it marinate for a little.
That's so good. I think that's good.
No,
Right by
that's
the pillow.
great. That's great.
He would tweak too, because it's like right where he puts his
Yeah.
head.
But he's not gonna lie to it. He's gonna walk up, look right there. and
Yeah,
be like,
exactly. That's the point, Griffin. We want him to find it.
Well, yeah.
You want him to like lay on it and roll around in it.
Exactly. I want him to like lay down and be like,
no,
oh,
that's
look at,
perfect. That's
and then like jump out of bed.
Bruh. No, what I felt, what the f you guys set me up here for?
Y'all.
All right, well, that didn't go as expected. The bro was about as good as we got from a reaction from Griffin. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. We're peacing out, signing out. Gonna cook up some burgers, maybe rip around the side by side, and just enjoy yet another wonderful night up here in the Maine wilderness. Appreciate the view. Catch you on the next one. And as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.